Don't trade forex pair before watching this. Today we have clear bias on currency pairs. Let's see how it plays out. Hello and good day to all of my dear friends. I hope you are doing well. Today in this video we are going to analyze the forex market. As you can see, these currency pairs are important for us, and one by one we are going to analyze them. At the first we are going to Euro USD and Euro. As you can see here, the previous day's candles close green and above these previous day's highs. It means that for today price like to come to this area at the top of this candle, and in London session the price reached this area. In 1 hour time frame, we should go and select the key levels and FVGs. In 1 hour time frame, we don't have any good and clear FVGs. In 15 minutes time frame, we don't have any FVGs too. One FVG is here is important for us, and after that this liquidity here is important for us. In New York session, our expectation is that price come to this area and hunt this liquidity here. After that, if we see the bullish sign, we can get on board on buy positions on Euro. For today we are bullish on Euro, and after manipulation in New York session we can get on board on buy positions. On GBPUSD, as you can see here, we are bullish too because of this candle. The previous day's candle closed above these previous day's candles, and in this situation we say that price like to come to this area. As you can see in the Asia session or in the London session, price reached this area. In Asia session price reached this area, and after that go up. In the rest of the day, our expectation is that price do some manipulations here, and after that go up again. This liquidity here is important for us. If price come down here and do some manipulation, after that turn around and we see the bullish sign, we can get on board on buy positions on pound, and we can say for today we are bullish on GBPUSD. On USDJPY, as you can see here, the previous day's candles did not sweep the either side of this candle. In this situation we should go to the 4 hour time frame to see what is the condition. In 4 hour time frame, as you can see, we have the bearish candles that are strong, and we can say that we are bearish for USDJPY for today. In 50 minutes time frame in New York session, our expectation is that price come up little until here, for example, and after that do some manipulation and turn around, and when we see the drop sign we can get on board and sell position like USDJPY, and we are bearish on USDJPY for today. On USDCAD, as you can see here, the previous day's candles here close below these candles and it's strong and red. It means that for today price like to come to bottom of this candle here that is reached in London session, and this level that is reached. In this situation we should wait until the New York session starts, and we should check the 4 hour time frame. In New York session, if we see the 4 hour time frame doesn't reverse and continue in this trend, we can say we are bearish on the USDCAD, and we can put our sell position on USDCAD. On AUDUSD, as you can see here, the previous day's candles is big and green. In this situation we can say that we are bullish on AUDUSD, and as you can see here the price go up until here and reach this area. In New York session, our expectation is that price come back until key levels. For example, this FVG here is important for us. This FVG is important for us too here, and this liquidity here is important for us. If price come back to these levels and do some manipulation and turn around and we see the bullish sign, we can put our buy position as AUDUSD, and we can say the AUDUSD is bullish for the New York session for today. On daily chart of NZDUSD, as you can see here, the previous day's candle closed green and above these candles. It means that for today we are bullish on NZDUSD, and as you can see here in London session, price come up until here. This is price destination and price reached this area in London session. In New York session, if price come to key levels, for example this FEG is here, or this liquidity pool here that we called it sell side liquidity, after doing some manipulation and seeing the bullish sign, we can set our buy position on NZDUSD and we can say that we are bullish on NZDUSD for today. On USDCHF, as you can see here, previous days candles closed red and below these days. It means that for today we are bearish and we should wait until price come to these levels. This is first level and this is second level. The price like to come to this area. I think that in New York session we can have some manipulation on the USDCHF. For example, these FVGs in 50 minutes are important for us. Here we have one FVG and here we have the FVGs 2, and this buy side liquidity here is important for us here. If in New York session price come up little until these levels and do some manipulation, after that turn around and we see the drop sign, market structure shift in little time frame, we can say that we are bearish for the USDCHF for today and we can get on board on sell position until this level. This is the destination of the price for USDCHF. What is our expectation on Nasdaq for today? As you can see here, the previous day's candles closed above these candles and closed green. It means that for today our expectation is that price like to come to this area at first. This is the price first target and this is the price second target. That price like to come up and reach this area. In New York session we should wait until price come to key levels. For example, this FEG is important for us, that in London session price come to these FEGs, and this liquidity here is important for us. This is the sell side liquidity. In New York session, if we see the bullish sign in key levels, we can put our buy position on Nasdaq and we can say we are bullish on Nasdaq for today. On S&P's daily charts, as you can see, the chart is similar to Nasdaq. Here the previous days closed green and we should wait until price do some manipulations in New York session. This FEGs here is important, that this price come to this area in London session, and this liquidity is important for us. In New York session price do some manipulation and after that when we see the bullish sign we can get on board and buy position and we are bullish for S&P for today. On Dow chart, as you can see here, we have this candle that is closed green and above these candles. It means that for today we are bullish on Dow and we should wait until price come to key levels. What is our key levels on those for today? This FEGs is important and this liquidity here is important too. We should wait until the New York session start. In New York session, if we see the manipulation in this area, for example behind this area, and after that we see the bullish sign, we can get on board on buy positions on Dow and we can say Dow for today is bullish. And the last pair is gold, and as you can see here, the previous day's candles close above this swing high and previous day's candles. It means that we should be bullish for today on gold, but gold is on the all-time high and I think that it's not a good watch for us because we don't have any clear information from the left side of the chart, and for today I think that it's not a good watch for trade for us. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in next analysis.